呀，要看就看啦，不看就算了啦。哎呦啊！哇，我这样 very sexy。Armaggeddon SM. Hi guys, this is Micho the Harambae here. Today, in this video, I will be bringing you a brand new unboxing and review video for Armaggeddon SMK-12R low profile keyboard. So, while we have the ongoing footage of me unboxing and showcasing the product, I will be talking about some of the key features on this SMK-12R RGB-Kestrel low-profile mechanical keyboard. But first thing first, what is low-profile keyboards? A low-profile mechanical keyboard basically means the keyboards are built to be as slim as possible. If you're wondering why should you choose a low-profile keyboard over the high-profile ones, now here comes the first selling point of this SMK-12R keyboard. By using a low-profile keyboard, it reduces the need to lift or arch your wrist all the time. So that means less strain and more comfortable user experience. And if you are someone who is always on the move, a low-profile keyboard is the perfect compact and slim keyboard for you to chuck into your backpack and go around, as it is significantly less chunky than their standard size counterparts. But if SMK-12R is still too big for your liking, check out their SMK-2C and SMK-6C low-profile keyboards. They are smaller in size, and obviously, they are cheaper too. Oh, however, unlike the other keyboards from the SMK series, only SMK-12R keyboard comes with the 16.8 million color RGB programmable LED effect and 3 different switch options. The keyboard I have in my hand uses OUTEMU red switch, but there's also blue switch and black switch options. Though there's 3 switch options, rest assured all of them are equally super responsive since SMK-12R keyboards feature keys with shorter actuation travel distance, which allowing increased response time. Not to mention, in theory, shorter actuation distance also means there's less force needed to activate switches. Well, however, personally, I prefer blue switch keyboard for its tactile and clicky experience, as red switch's tactile feedback is even lower, which I'm just not used to it, and I prefer a noisy keyboard. That's like myself. Noisy, loud, but fun! I actually tried to change out and replace the mechanical switch by following the replacement guide that's illustrated on the product box. It's so straightforward and easy that even a noob tech lady like me also can handle the replacement without any issue. One thing I really love about this Armaggeddon keyboard is how you can just plug the product in and it will start working right away. Most of the stuff can be configured on the keyboard directly, and there is a lot of FN shortcut keys for you to play with too. But you may also install the software which you have to download from the Armaggeddon official website to unleash more features, such as to adjust the RGB effect speed and light brightness and many more. And here's how typing on high-profile blue switch and low-profile red switch keyboards sounded like. Can you hear the difference? And which one do you prefer? If there's any complaint from me towards the great SMK-12R keyboard, it's definitely about how slippery the keyboard's legs were. As in, the keyboard legs weren't able to be locked down properly, so if I've been slightly more rough and pushy, where I just push my keyboard a bit when I'm like really excited and stuff, the keyboard legs will be flipped back to its folder stage. But otherwise, the anti-skid pads on the keyboards works very well, so I guess I can forgive the keyboard legs issue. Well, now guys, we have come to the very end of this video. I just want to say thank you all for watching this video till the end, and huge shout out and thank you to Armaggeddon Malaysia for sponsoring me this super cool SMK-12R low profile mechanical keyboard for me to unbox and review. And I have also included their online store links in the description box below, so do check it out if you are interested. Well, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe button if you haven't. Until next time, see you and take care!